In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cloudflare DNS. If your website feels slow, keeps going down, or you're worried about it getting hit with malicious traffic, this is one of the easiest fixes you can make, and it's completely free to get started. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to cloudflare.com and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, look for the Add a Site button on your dashboard, and go ahead and type in your domain name. That's the website address you want to protect and speed up. Now, Cloudflare is going to ask you to pick a plan. Simply choose the free plan for now. It covers everything most people need, like basic security and performance boosts, and you can always upgrade later if you want extra features. Once you've selected your plan, Cloudflare will automatically scan your domain and pull in your existing DNS records. These are basically the instructions that tell the internet where to find your website and where to send things like email. Take a moment to review them and make sure everything matches what you had before. Don't worry, Cloudflare is usually very accurate here, but it's always good to double-check before moving on. After you've confirmed your records look right, go ahead and continue to the next screen. This is where Cloudflare shows you two new name servers. These will look something like amy.nsdmy.com and john.nsdmy.com. Write these down or keep this tab open, because you're going to need them in the next step. Now here's the part that actually connects everything. You need to update your name servers at your domain registrar. That's the company you originally bought your domain from, like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Log into your registrar account, find your domain settings, and look for a section called Name Servers or DNS Management. Replace whatever's currently listed there with the two Cloudflare name servers you just copied down. A quick safety note here. Make sure you're logged into the correct registrar account and editing the right domain before you save any changes, since name server changes affect your entire site and email. Once you've saved those changes, all that's left to do is wait. DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours to fully propagate across the internet, though it's usually much faster than that. Cloudflare will send you an email letting you know once your site is active and successfully running on their DNS. And there you have it. That's how to enable Cloudflare DNS for your website. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.